Good day, Bravehearts. Shalu here from Barrie, Ontario. I am here with AMC, and AMC came and visited us in June when Daryl was here. He did a consultation, and since then, AMC and I have been working together, and AMC's to the point where he's like, I'm feeling pretty good. I don't need you anymore. So I'm just going to flip this around. We're just going to have AMC share his experience. How you doing, AMC?
I'm feeling quite good. When I was putting on my clothes in the morning, I had to have some support on my right leg when I have to lift the left leg into my pants. That has changed in the last couple of days because I was doing a lot of different things, plus using the castor oil and the DMSO for the last 3-4 weeks. And so now that is changing for the better. I don't have that pain anymore.
AMC's been coming pretty much once a week, right? I mean, we had some breaks where there was a couple weeks in between, but a few times, like once a week, and we've been using the Cellsonic. And that's helped alleviate and break down a lot of the calcification because his SI joints were this thick, high off. It was a lot. And I think within the first few, the back pain went away, right?
Yeah, because on my right side, it's pretty well gone.
Perfect.
And that's where Shalu is working on. Mostly, and on my left hand side I was working on it at home, and it's not where it should be, but it's going in the right direction, and I sometimes take a piece of wood and hit it just to remind it that it's not supposed to stick up as high.
And that's it. You have a clapper. Use that gentle, loving with yourself, MZ. No beating yourself up with a wood. And you're back to work, and you can't stop AMC from working. So yeah, he's so happy because he's back to work.
Yeah, and earning a few bucks again, which makes me feel good. And just the fact to be out in sunshine and absorbing the sun and the wind on my back, it just makes me feel good.
Good. Awesome. So yeah, if you're having any pain at all, the non-surgical works, the energy medicines are amazing. So if you need to, you can reach me at 705-828-2257, or you can go to my website at lotuslife.health. Also, I'll be doing the Healing Circle at the end of November, which is amazing because it's the emotional that creates the physical. So let's deal with those emotional blockages so that you don't get the pain showing up. That's November 23rd to the 26th, and there's more information on that at the BraveHeartNation.com. So I look forward to meeting you and working with you in November. And again, you can reach me at 705-828-2257. Have a beautiful day.